For lunch today, we have some raw salmon and ginger. And for sauces, we have our enoki sauce and a soy sauce dumpling sauce mixture that I created. I'm so excited. I love raw sushi, so I am so excited for this one. Let's dig right in. Before we get started, let's prepare our drink. I haven't had a LaCroix in forever. And honestly, I don't know why. I have a whole pack of these in my pantry. For the first bite, let's go in with the soy sauce mixture. Here you guys go. Have that bite. That looks so good. And then a bite with the enoki sauce. Ooh. And y'all know I love me some good ginger. This salmon, you guys, it just melts in your mouth. It is so buttery. And the sauces combined, chef's kiss right here. Look how delicious this looks, you guys. For me, it's best paired when I eat it with the ginger. All right, you guys, last bite. And of course, let's wash everything down with our beverage.